Hey guys, welcome to the short video about the Edge Crease piemenu add-on. This add-on adds a piemenu for creasing and uncreasing edges. After installing, you can set the shortcut for it in the preferences. By default, it's Shift E, so it's the standard Edge Crease shortcut that you would normally use. In order to make this work, you have to select a mesh object and switch to edit mode under edge and edge crease. Do right click and change the shortcut to, for example, Control Shift and E. And that way, when you now click Shift E in the viewport, you will get this piemenu. On the right, where it says crease, you have the classic edge crease operator to set the crease amount with your mouse. The top option will set the crease value of your selected edges to 1, and the bottom option will uncrease your edges. On the left side, I added some predefined values which will set the crease amount accordingly to the selected value. So if you select the 0.5 value, the crease amount of your edges will be 0.5. Below those values, I added the options for marking or unmarking your edges sharp. And speaking of sharp edges, in the preferences, there's an option called Auto Sharp. It's on by default, and it will set your edges sharp if you select the Crease 1 option, and it will unmark them if you select the Crease 0 option. To actually see the sharpening of an edge, make sure that under the object data properties you have Auto Smooth enabled and that your object is also shaded smooth. To do that, just right click in the viewport when in object mode and select the Shade Smooth option. That's it so far for this little add-on. I hope it might be helpful for someone. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video.